Hi, and welcome to this Green Taylor Partners video on Taxable Payment Annual Reporting in MYOB Essentials. Now, the version of Essentials this video is aimed at is for the older or original version of Essentials, not the new Essentials, which has just been released within the last 12 months. Now, if you'll be used to this version, you'll be used to this desktop where you've got the columns of money in, money out, and banking. The new Essentials has quite a different look to it, so you can't be mixed up with the two of them. Taxable Payments Annual Reporting has been in for a number of years. It was primarily brought in for the building and construction industry, but in later years has had a number of other industries added to it. Those industries required to be reporting are the building and construction services industry, cleaning services, courier services and road freight transport, information technology services, security investigation or surveillance services, and some government entities. The aim of this video is not to help you decide whether you need to be reporting, more so to show you how to do the reporting from your MYOB Essentials software. Now, the first thing with MYOB Essentials is you must turn on the reporting. The easy way to know whether your reporting's turned on is go to Reports and All Reports. And if you don't have the taxable payments reporting here under General Ledger Detail, it's not turned on. To turn this on, you go up to your company name, business details, and tick this box for taxable payments reporting. So click that and hit Save. Now, when we go to Reports, All Reports, we'll have the taxable payments annual reporting showing here. Now, if you haven't had that switched on, none of the transactions for any subcontractors or contractors will actually be ticked and marked to be coming up on your taxable payment reporting. So when you click this, nothing will appear. If this is the case, you'll have to go and edit all the transactions recorded for those suppliers throughout the year to get them to report on your software. To do this, one way of doing it is to go to Reports, where you need to go and edit all the transactions. One way to do it is to go to General Ledger Details, select those accounts which you had your subcontractors under. So you could untick all. In my case, I've got them all under 65,000, which is my subcontractors. Now, you may have yours under a number of different codes because you might have subcontractors, contractors, and use various codes. If I hit Hide Accounts, then I'll have all those transactions that record under subcontractors displaying here. So you can see for mine for the year, I've actually got two entries which have actually already been coded throughout the year where I treat them as subcontractors. So if that was the case, I could drill into each transaction and click this little reportable tick box. Had I had my reporting for my business set up from the start of the year, every time I did a spend money or a purchase, I would have been able to tick this. And to default it throughout the year, you would go to Contacts. To mark those suppliers as defaulting, you would choose those suppliers, and then you hit Reportable. And this will mark them as reportable. So from then on, whenever you do a transaction for them, such as Bill Carpenter, we'll have the reportable tick box. So once you're happy that you've actually identified and marked all the subcontractors and contractors as being reportable, we should simply be able to go Reports, All Reports, Taxable Payment Annual Report, and we can see all of those suppliers here and each of the invoices or payments we've made to them in the system. So we can see here for Bill Carpenter, we've had 4 different entries, Harold's Building Services 1, and Harry Smith twice. If we're ready to report and create the export file, we simply click Next. put in all of our business details, including our contact name and the phone number, and then we create the TPAR file. As the page says here, once you've created that file, if you registered on the ATO business portal, you can simply upload that file via that site and submit it with the ATO directly. Alternatively, you may be able to create that file, send it to your accountant, and they may be able to upload that file through their tax agent portal system on your behalf. If you need to, you may need to contact the ATO to order the manual paperwork, which then you could have transposed the details from the prior screen to complete the report and send it to the ATO. All reporting must be completed by the 28th of August every year. We trust this video has been of some assistance in doing your MYOB Essentials contract reporting or taxable payment reporting. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.